A few years ago, buying watches at an authorized dealer was all about the customer experience. It was about what the authorized dealer could do for you or could provide for you other than their product to ensure that you're their loyal customer. But these days, it's almost the opposite. To get into their favorable books, people often give their authorized dealers or salesperson from authorized dealers all kinds of gifts, from their favorite champagne bottles to wine bottles and to everything in between, which has been a huge subject of memes on Reddit and everywhere else if you're within the watch world. Now, every so often, the authorized dealer does give you a little special something for their preferred customer. There's no way to buy such a gift, as I'm going to talk about in a moment, but it does feel special when it happens. So we're going to talk about the Rolex travel pouch given by the authorized dealer. Now this is made of pure leather and opening it up is a fantastic experience. Very clearly you see its origami style opening, and removing the watch that's protected carefully inside, we see a padded pillow that makes sure that you can fit almost any watch, unless it's maybe a woman's Rolex or a woman's watch that has 6 to 7 links taken out. That's not gonna fit, but any other watch you're gonna do okay, and it's gonna protect it just fine. Now, it's a beautiful, really beautiful product with this suede velvety texture to the green stitching, which is really something very premium and a very nice move, and a very different move compared to the all green travel pouch that they gave before and the all green service pouch that they gave before. That one stitch over here really ensures a different kind of product and gives you something more memorable, something more elegant, and something that can even match your wallet. It's not loud and it's not obnoxious, and it's actually functional. It actually protects your watch, and again, there's not much to say about it except that it's a really beautiful product. Getting this from the authorized dealer, you can try asking. I have heard of people who ask for gifts and they don't really get much. Certain authorized dealers do give you watch holders or watch travel pouches, but they're not Rolex branded. They're branded of the authorized dealer itself. Like Bucherer may give you a Bucherer branded travel pouch, but not a Rolex branded one until and unless they feel they require or they need to do so. And because of this, such gifts, they range from keychains to duffel bags to these kind of travel pouches to even multiple watch travel pouches. They're going for hundreds of dollars in the resale market. It's almost as though everything with this little crown just flies off the shelves. It's like Apple all over again. Since there isn't so much to talk about this travel pouch, we're ending this video here. Do like and subscribe if you've liked this, and look forward to more videos in the future. Thank you.